So I woke up this morning to find my wife calling me, telling me the basement's all soaking wet. And it turned out the pressure relief on this water heater, it says installed in over 24 years ago, was leaking onto the floor. We got a bucket underneath it right now next to our toy truck here in the basement. And I turned that all the way down, right? So the other water heater was installed, was it less than 10 years ago? But whoever did it jammed the pressure relief into the side of the other water heater. So is that ever going to relieve pressure? Probably not. There's an expansion tank up there, which is on the cold side, and then the hot from the first water heater comes through and goes into the cold of the second water heater. So it's nice, we never run out of water. And typically I had this one turned all the way down because it's getting pretty old, maybe just use it as a storage tank, right? Well, I turned up the water heat the other day because I just came home from vacation. Everything just seemed really cold. So, I mean, not really cold, but not as hot as I remembered. So, in order to get this to stop leaking, I actually had to tap that thing in, I tap it in a little bit, and it seems like the water might be no longer flowing out of it. But of course I'm going to keep this bucket here for now. Maybe even permanently. But I'm wondering what I got to do and what was done wrong here. I'm going to guess that I could be having the pressure from the other water heater and it's just getting pushed through and it's got to have somewhere to go. But this is overnight. I don't know how long it's been going on. It could have been going on all day yesterday for all I know. But just an example of why a water heater really needs to be in an area that is protected from water, so that if it does overflow, the water goes somewhere it couldn't do any damage. Fortunately, our basement is not that bad, but a much worse scenario is when your tank rots out the bottom and everything just comes out. Unfortunate that it seems this is just a pressure relief, but these should be accessible, and that was a really bad install by whoever did it.